Welcome back, dear viewers. Today I'm in the beautiful Brindleyplace, right in the heart of Birmingham. It's a lovely sunny morning, the kind of day that really brings this place to life. So let's go and explore together. Brindleyplace is one of those areas where modern city life meets canal-side charm. And, as you'll see, there's a really relaxed atmosphere here. As we start walking, you can already see how clean and well-designed everything is. This whole area was redeveloped in the 1990s, turning old industrial land into one of Birmingham's most popular leisure spots. Right here in the square, you've got these small water fountains, gently bubbling away. They're not huge or dramatic, but they really bring the whole place to life. On a sunny day like this, they add a bit of movement, a bit of sound, and make the area feel calm and inviting. It's the kind of place you could just sit and relax for a while. I have no idea what these beach-style deck chairs are doing here. Maybe they are going to import some sand. We're now heading into one of the central squares here in Brindleyplace. This area often hosts events, live music, and outdoor dining. You'll usually find people enjoying a coffee, having lunch, or just taking in the surroundings. It's a great spot for people watching. On a sunny day like today, there's a real buzz about the place, without it ever feeling too crowded. Although I did arrive here on a Monday morning at 11 a.m, so it's still very quiet, just how I like it when filming. As we continue walking, notice how the pace of life feels just a little slower here. It's a nice contrast to the hustle and bustle you'd normally expect in a major city. There's something about canal-side locations that naturally encourages you to slow down, take your time and just enjoy the moment. Whether you're visiting for the first time or you've been here before, it's easy to see why people keep coming back. Just nearby, you've got attractions like the National Sea Life Centre Birmingham, which is popular with families, and plenty of scenic canal routes if you want to keep walking further. This part of Birmingham really shows how the city has embraced its waterways and turned them into something special. Just over here is the famous Ozzy Osbourne bench, dedicated to Black Sabbath, one of the most influential bands ever to come out of Birmingham. You can actually sit right next to the band, which makes it a really popular photo spot. It's more than just a bench though. It's a tribute to the city's musical heritage and a reminder that heavy metal was born right here. Walking along the canal, you'll notice a mix of modern glass buildings and older brick structures. That blend really tells the story of Birmingham's transformation over the years. There are plenty of cafes, bars and restaurants lining the water, making this a great place to sit and relax, especially in the warmer months. If you listen closely, you can hear the gentle sounds of water and the occasional narrowboat passing through. It's surprisingly peaceful for a city centre. Just over here on the left is the Sea Life Centre, home to thousands of marine creatures and even a tunnel where you can walk underneath sharks and fish. It's one of the highlights of Brindleyplace. And right across the water is the Utilita Arena, a huge venue that's hosted some of the biggest names in music and sport. It's quite a contrast, really. Peaceful canals on one side and massive live events on the other. Now we come to LEGOLAND Discovery Centre. It's an indoor world of Lego, packed with rides, play areas, and even a miniature version of Birmingham, built from over 1 million bricks. It's mainly aimed at families, but even if you're just walking past, it adds a bit of colour and fun to the area. And that brings us towards the end of this relaxing walk around Brindleyplace. I hope you've enjoyed this peaceful stroll with me today. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for more walking tours from around the UK and beyond. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.